Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we will show you how to remove and replace battery on Mercedes W163, guys. This will be the ML-Class from 1998 all the way into 2005. Stay with us. We're gonna show you how to do that now. And please, guys, subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. Be part of it. Okay, that's the battery that we're using here out of another parts car that we have. And now we're going to go ahead, okay, and show you. This one is completely dead. It has only like 8 volts and it's supposed to be over 12. So you can see two banks. It has 6 inside. Each one is 2 volts. So altogether 6 times 2, 12 volts. And ours, 2 of them are obviously not working somewhere. So with a 10mm wrench, we're going to remove the positive cable now here. It's just a little bit tricky to replace that big heavy battery there. Okay, and we're going to remove the negative as well with the same 10mm wrench. Okay, almost there now. So we can pull it out. Okay, just like that. Next, what we need to do here, guys, we need to press on this one here and pull it out. Okay, let me get the light on. When you pull it out, okay, here, okay, you can see this one now. You can press it down. When you press it down like that, you need to pull it at the same time. Okay, it's gonna come out of the groove there. So now what we can do, we can go ahead, okay, and we can actually, okay, we need to remove that okay, that bolt there with a 13mm. Okay, you see. Okay, got it out. Make sure you don't drop it and lose it. That's the bolt right here. Okay, and now we're just gonna go and pull the seal out of here now. And we can get the cable out as well. Okay, it's a little bit of a mess here. Putting it together is more complicated than taking that thing apart. Okay, so if you pull it in an angle, okay, like that, from there, you can see it's going to come out. And what we're actually going to do, easier way will be probably to disconnect, okay, that cable right here now. You can do it without it. So now when you made enough room, you can pull it out. Okay, you can see like that. And you need to make sure that you buy exactly the same size battery, otherwise you won't be able to fit it there, guys. Make sure you use a good battery. We recommend to use gloves, guys. Always use gloves when you're working with batteries, because if that acid gets on your skin, that's not good. And there will always be some. Don't ask why we're not using them. Okay, and we're just going to get it in there now. Okay, a little bit of a tight fit. Okay, wiggled it a little bit and it got in there. Okay, so that's good. Okay, it's all the way in now. So now we need to go ahead and install, okay, the mount here with the bolt. You need to, okay, let me show you now. You need to make sure that those teeth go inside. Okay, so you need to twist it again this way. Okay, one went in, the other one didn't. So we still need to pick it up more. Okay, like that. You can see both of them are in now. So what we're going to do, install the bolt, get this one tight now. Okay, don't leave it for later, guys. You need to make sure that the battery is secure there. And we have many videos about that ML. We actually did the engine transmission replacements on those, so check it out. We have it on our channel, guys. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. Now what you need to do there, we need to go ahead, push the thing and clip it down there. Okay, you can see it goes all the way under. Okay, like that. Okay, and now you need to install the little thing there. Next, this, okay, this right here is the next thing to do. And this one could be tricky. If you cannot get this one, you can always disconnect the battery cable. Okay, and you need to make sure that it goes where it's supposed to. You can see here. Okay, that's how it goes in the clips here as well. And now we have that seal, okay, that's contacting the hood there. So we need to make sure we install this one. So to get everything like it's supposed to, we're almost ready now. Okay, and now you can go ahead and install those, the positive and the negative cable. Okay, just 10mm socket there or a wrench. And now we need to do the negative one, which is really hard to get to. Probably better way would be to get the negative and then the positive. Okay, this one doesn't want to go in, so we need to tap it a little bit and get it tight now. And stay with us, we'll show you what else you need to do, guys, so you don't have problems in the future with your battery. Alright guys, so let's see if it's going to start now with the new battery. Hopefully it does. Okay, let's hear now. Oh yeah. So perfect. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.